but the room still hums its final song. Soft lights fall on empty chairs. The smoke still dances in the air. My hands still tremble on the mic from all the songs that felt like life. The glass half full, the air still warm. Peace unfolds in every form. Soft lights and quiet hearts, the world at rest, the ache departs. Every note that once was pain now drips like gold in soft refrain. The floorboards creak, the curtains sigh, the shadows waltz and say goodbye. I hum the chords of who I am. No need for stage, no need for plan. The night forgives, the dawn just waits as love dissolves through open gates. The loudest joy is calm and clear, and silence sings when love is near. Soft lights and quiet hearts, this is where the healing starts. No tears, no blues, no walls apart, just peace beneath the stars. Soft lights, quiet hearts, where endings and beginnings start. Close your eyes, the night turns new, and dreams unfold beneath the blue. The sea of stars hums low and near. I lose my doubts, I lose my fear. The world drifts slow, the mind drifts light, the soul paints gold upon the night. A melody too soft to keep plays gently through the world asleep. Dreams beneath the blue, I find the truth in you. No chains, no pain, no need to hide, just heart and sky side by side. The air tastes sweet, the dark feels kind. I leave the noise, the way behind. The moon breeze calm, the jasmine sighs, the smoke curls up, then softly dies. the sky exhales, the world begins where sorrow pales. The golden breath, the gentle sky, I feel the warmth, I don't ask why. The dark still hums, but softer now. I kiss the light upon my brow. Each sound reborn, each shadow fades. The night forgives the mess it made. Rising amber light, my soul steps out of night. Every scar a spark that stays, every tear a sun that plays. The streets wake slow, the windows gleam, the world looks like a living dream. The glass still holds last evening's wine, but now it glows, it feels divine. It sings me back where freedom grows. You can rise and still be real. That's how the light begins to heal. Just grace reborn in amber light. Amber light. My soul takes flight. The eyes are mine, but brighter now. They learn to shine. The dark ones taught me how to see. The light was always here in me. Each tear a seed, each loss a flame, each broken chord still sings my name. I hum the tune the years designed, a melody of peace in time. The soul that learned to shine was forged by rain and wine. No golden crown, no grand design. touch grew soft, the pain grew still. The heart obeyed what hope would will. No fear remains, no need to hide. The sun and I now walk side by side. The song goes on, it never ends. Just glows through love, through loss, through friends. The soul is made of what it keeps, and every scar is light that sleeps. The sky breathes low, and in his light I start to glow. No stage remains, no crowd to find, just peace that hums inside my mind. The notes I sing drift out to sea and come back home as melody. Each tear I gave returns as grace. Each wound now holds his warm embrace. In the quiet of his light, all wrongs turn into right. No storm, no fear, no wind in sight, just love that burns so bright. The candles fade, the candles fade, the air turns mild, the heart beats slow, the soul reconciled. I feel the dawn within my chest, a gentle voice that whispers rest. No need for more, no need to see. The light already lives The light still whispers your old name. The curtain sways, the dust still shines, the record spins its slow old lines. The chair still holds a faded scar from nights that never felt too far. But peace now lives where pain once grew, and love still hums in something new. The window still glows, even when the dark wind blows. The world moves on, but time still shows the place where sunlight goes. The glass hums low with amber tone. It sings of what I've come to own. No tears, no ache, no empty call, just quiet warmth. Across the wall I smile at ghosts that learn to fade, at peace with all the mess they made. The room remembers, but it heals. The light forgives what time reveals. Soft as mercy knows, each breath I take, each piece I chose still shines and softly flows. Still glows where love still grows.
The spring has gone, the summer fades, but autumn's peace is what remains. The world once burned, now softly glows. The heart throws broke, now simply knows. I walk through light, I walk through haze, and find myself in amber days. No need to run, no need to hide. The calm has found its place inside. The season that stayed wasn't made, wasn't prayed. It just arrived and gently laid its gold where pain once stayed. Coffee steams, the vinyl hums, the mind grows still, the soul becomes. No fight or fear, no cold to fight, just rhythm warm and evening light. I hold the world with gentler hands and understand what peace demands. The quiet came. goodbye. Never fade. To pray, the soul just hums and fades away. The light stands still, the air turns blue. The world forgets what time can do. Each breath expands, each sound dissolves. The quiet hum of all resolves. No name, no shape, no sense of will, just peace that hums, eternal still, eternal stillness, soft and wide, where all I was has turned inside. No rise, no fall, no pain, no thrill, just love that hums, eternal still. The stars are gone, the skies are torn, the light now sings all on its own. Each echo fades, each pulse is slow. The end of ends, the purest glow. No form to hold, no self to fill, just one long
eternal stillness, near and far. You are what all beginnings are. No night, no dawn, no heart to still, just truth fulfilled, eternal still. Eternal still. Be still. The light returns, the dark forgives, and grace becomes the air that lives. Around the stars my soul drifts free. No up, no down, no gravity. The heart still beats, but not in fear. It hums with worlds I used to hear. Each circle drawn, each loop of flame rewrites the stars that call my name. Orbit of grace, no time, no place, just gentle turns through endless space, each spin a warm embrace. The comets hum, the moons reply. The silence dances through the sky. Each line of fate dissolves to kind. Each loss releases what it finds. The pulse of peace, the hum of light. It moves me slow through sacred night. Grace repeats, it never ends. It pulls you home through curves and bends. Each note, each face, each fading trace becomes the same soft place.